What if I told you there are boats out there that have been sailing for over 60 years and are still going strong? Some of these legendary vessels were built so tough, so bulletproof that they make today's boats look like floating paper cups. But here's the kicker. Most boat buyers today have no idea these maritime legends even exist. So we're diving into 10 old boats that were literally built to last forever. Number 10. Boston Whaler. Picture this, it's 1958 and a company decides to build a boat so tough they literally saw it in half on live television to prove it won't sink. That's exactly what Boston Whaler did, and it became the stuff of maritime legend. The secret? Foam core construction that keeps these boats afloat even when completely destroyed. We're talking about a boat that laughs in the face of physics. Cut it in half? Still floats. Punch holes in it? Still floats. It's like the Terminator of boats. Boston Whalers from the late 1950s are still out there today, over 65 years later, taking families fishing and proving that when you build something right the first time, it stays right forever. The foam core construction wasn't just a gimmick, it was revolutionary engineering. They literally filled the hull with closed-cell foam, creating a boat that was essentially one giant life preserver. Number 9. Grumman Sport Boat, 15 feet 9 inches. The Grumman Sport Boat, 15 feet 9 inches, is a classic aluminum utility boat, built for longevity and rugged use. Introduced in the 1950s, it was crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, giving it a strength-to-weight ratio that allowed it to withstand decades of hard use without serious damage. Measuring just under 16 feet, it has a flat-bottom hull ideal for stability in shallow rivers, lakes and backwaters, while the open layout provides ample space for passengers, gear or fishing equipment. The boat's transom allows mounting of a small outboard motor, typically up to 5 to 7.5 horsepower, though it can also be paddled, making it versatile for a range of activities. Lightweight yet incredibly durable, the Grumman 15 feet 9 inches sport boat resists corrosion, dents and warping, ensuring it remains functional for generations. Its combination of toughness, simplicity and low maintenance has earned it a reputation as one of the most enduring small boats ever built. Truly a vessel made to last forever. Number 8. Sea Nymph 16 to 18. The Sea Nymph 16 to 18 is a classic fiberglass runabout from the mid-20th century, renowned for its durability and straightforward design. Built with thick, over-engineered fiberglass hulls, these boats were designed to withstand years of recreational use, whether for fishing, cruising, or light utility work. The open layout provided ample space for passengers and gear, while simple mechanicals made maintenance accessible even to hobbyists with basic tools. Outboard engines of the era were easily accommodated, and the boat's modest size allowed for convenient trailering and storage. Despite its vintage construction, the Sea Nymph remains surprisingly resilient, with many surviving examples still in use today. Its reputation for toughness and longevity makes it a favourite among collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate boats that can be restored or enjoyed with minimal modernisation. The Sea Nymph 16 to 18 feet exemplifies a time when builders prioritised reliability and practicality over flashy features or advanced technology. Number 7. Tolman Skiff. The Tolman skiff, first introduced in Alaska during the early 1990s, has become a legend among do-it-yourself boat builders. Crafted from plywood and fiberglass, it's a design that allows weekend hobbyists with basic tools to create vessels in their garages. Boats that not only last for decades, but also stand up to some of the harshest waters on the planet. Its stitch and glue construction method is key. By wiring plywood panels together and sealing the seams with fiberglass, builders create a strong monocoque structure that distributes stress evenly across the hull. This results in durability that often surpasses factory-built boats. These skiffs aren't just weekend toys. Home builders have sailed them across oceans, pushed through fierce storms, and proven that the Tolman isn't just affordable, it's expedition-grade tough. A garage project can become a seaworthy vessel built to conquer the elements. Number 6. Johnson Outboard Runabouts, 1960s to 70s. Johnson outboard runabouts from the 1960s to 70s were lightweight, simple fiberglass or aluminum boats designed for ease of use and long-term durability. Built with thick hulls, straightforward layouts and minimal fittings, these boats could handle years of recreational use with limited maintenance. Outboard engines of the era were easily mounted and serviced, making them reliable for fishing, cruising, or general boating. Handling was predictable in calm and moderate waters, while the open deck allowed for versatile use. Johnson runabouts were trailerable, easy to launch, and resilient against minor impacts or grounding. Today, many vintage Johnson outboard runabouts are still in use, valued for their simplicity, nostalgic appeal, and durability. They exemplify a time when boat builders focused on functionality and longevity, producing craft that could reliably serve families or outdoor enthusiasts for decades. These boats remain a benchmark for anyone seeking a long-lasting, low-maintenance recreational boat. Number 5. Mirocraft utility boats, 14 to 18. The Mirocraft utility boats, particularly the 14 to 18-foot models from the 1960s through the 1980s, have earned a reputation as dependable forever boats constructed from heavy-gauge marine aluminum. These boats were overbuilt to handle decades of use on lakes, rivers, and even light coastal waters. Their simple riveted or welded hulls resisted corrosion and damage, making them ideal for anglers, hunters, and families who valued practicality over flash. With open layouts and bench seating, they offered versatility, perfect for fishing trips, hauling gear, or just a day on the water. Most were designed for small to mid-sized outboards, usually in the 15 to 40 horsepower range, which kept maintenance simple and costs low. Lightweight yet sturdy, they were easy to trailer, launch, and store, ensuring long-term usability. Many vintage Mirocrafts remain on the water today, a testament to their rugged construction and timeless design that proves durability never goes out of style. Number 4. Coleman Crawdad. The Coleman Crawdad, crafted from ultra-tough Ramex polyethylene, has a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Many of these boats have been around for decades, yet still look as if they just left the factory. Polyethylene is the secret. It won't rot, rust, or weaken with time. Owners drag crawdads over rocks, beach them on concrete, and subject them to endless abuse, yet the hulls keep bouncing back. The Ramex material is so impact-resistant that even a sledgehammer strike won't leave a mark as the plastic flexes and returns to shape. Adding to its toughness, the entire hull is rotationally molded in one solid piece. That means no seams to split, no rivets to loosen, and no welds to crack. It's simply a single, seamless structure of virtually indestructible plastic, built to outlast generations of fishing trips. Number 3. Olympic 17 Workboat. The Olympic 17 workboat, produced in the mid-20th century, is a rugged utilitarian craft built for durability and reliability. Its thick fiberglass or wooden hull, simple design, and open deck made it ideal for fishing, hauling, or general utility work on lakes and rivers. These boats could handle heavy loads without compromising stability, and their simple construction meant maintenance was easy and inexpensive. Outboard engines were easily accommodated, giving the boat adequate power while remaining simple to repair. Many examples have survived for decades, even under hard use, because of their robust design and overbuilt hulls. The Olympic 17 workboat is valued today by hobbyists who appreciate boats built for functionality and longevity rather than style or speed. Its enduring reputation illustrates a time when practical performance and long-lasting construction were the benchmarks for small recreational and utility craft. Number 2. Hewes Crafts 16 to 18 foot. Hewes Crafts 16 to 18 foot aluminum boats are legendary for their durability and utility. Designed for fishing and shallow water operations, the hulls are constructed from high-quality marine aluminum that can withstand years of use without serious wear. The flat-bottomed or shallow V designs allow access to waters off-limits to heavier or deeper craft, making them extremely versatile. Simplicity was key. Few complex fittings, straightforward assembly, and easy maintenance made these boats ideal for both professional and recreational users. Outboard motors of various sizes could be mounted with ease, and the aluminum construction ensured the hull would never rot or crack like wooden boats. Over decades, Hewes Craft 16 to 18-foot boats have proven nearly indestructible under normal conditions, withstanding collisions with rocks or sandbars without significant damage. For those seeking a rugged, long-lasting utility or fishing boat, Hewes Craft remains an iconic example of built-to-last-forever craftsmanship. Number 1. Century Resorter 17 to 19. The Century Resorter 17 to 19. Fiberglass runabouts of the 1960s to 70s are overbuilt classics, built for both leisure and durability. With thick fiberglass hulls, simple mechanical layouts, and open seating, these boats were designed to withstand decades of recreational use. Outboard motors fit easily and could propel the boat efficiently for fishing, cruising, or water sports. The hulls were engineered to handle moderate, choppy water with relative stability, and maintenance was straightforward due to the lack of complex electronics or fittings. Many owners found them resilient against minor collisions or grounding, and their overbuilt construction contributed to long-term longevity. Today, Century Resorter 17 to 19-foot boats are highly valued by collectors and enthusiasts for their robust build and nostalgic charm. They exemplify a time when boat manufacturers prioritized practicality and durability, producing vessels that could be handed down through generations with minimal degradation in performance or appearance. So there you have it. 10 legendary boats that prove durability isn't limited to modern technology. From iconic builds to remarkable survival stories, these vessels remind us that true strength lies in design and spirit. Which of these maritime classics would you love to own, or have you ever sailed on one yourself? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more incredible journeys across the world of boats.